Attention gentlemen, if you've got a show to perform and you want the energy of a stallion, I've got the perfect drink for you. But here's the deal, you shouldn't take it unless you're sure the show is happening. Curious? Let me share this powerful recipe that guarantees unmatched stamina and energy in just minutes. Let's face it, sometimes, you need more than just regular energy. You need power, endurance, and confidence, especially when it matters most. That's where this unique blend comes in. Made with Nescafé Ginger and Lemon, alligator seed, bitter kola, and a touch of honey, this drink isn't just delicious, it's a game changer. But remember, don't take it if there's no performance in sight. Ready to learn how to make it? Let's talk about why this blend is so effective. Each ingredient is carefully chosen for its natural benefits. Nescafé Ginger and Lemon, a powerful coffee blend that combines the energy boost of caffeine with the metabolism-boosting effects of ginger and lemon. Ginger, known for its ability to improve circulation, ginger helps bring oxygen-rich blood to where it's needed most. Lemon, a refreshing and detoxifying ingredient that adds a burst of flavor and supports hydration. Alligator seed and bitter kola, these traditional powerhouses are well known for enhancing stamina, energy, and focus. Honey, a natural sweetener that provides quick energy and a smooth, calming finish. This combination doesn't just boost energy, it primes your body for peak performance. Here's the step-by-step recipe to create this power drink. Boil the base. Start by boiling a small amount of water. Add alligator seed and 2 bitter kola to the water. Let it simmer for a few minutes to extract their full potency. Mix the coffee. In a cup, add 2 teaspoons of Nescafé Ginger and Lemon, along with grated or pounded ginger and the juice of half or 1 fresh lemon. Combine. Once the alligator seed and bitter kola water is ready, pour it into the coffee mixture. Sweeten. Stir in a spoonful of honey or sugar, if you prefer, to enhance the taste. Garnish and serve. Add a lemon slice for a touch of class and enjoy the drink warm. Prepare it fresh and drink it 30 minutes before the main event for the best results. This drink is designed to be your ultimate energy booster, but timing is everything. Drink it 30 minutes before the show starts, and you'll feel the power like never before. But remember, this is not a casual cup of coffee, it's a performance-enhancing blend. If there's no show, skip it. Here's the key: the combination of caffeine, natural stimulants, and antioxidants works together to give you sustained energy, focus, and confidence. No jitters, no crashes, just raw, natural power. Now, it's your turn to try this game-changing drink. Make it, test it, and experience the difference for yourself. And when you do, come back and let me know how it worked for you. Your feedback could help someone else discover their new favorite energy booster. Don't forget to save this recipe for the next time you need it. And if you're serious about staying at your peak, follow this channel for more simple, effective solutions that work.